Greetings from Max Munoz. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I am the career counselor of Max Munoz. Today, I am going to explain few things on Salesforce CPQ training, job support for corporate and individual. Max Munoz is one of the best online Salesforce CPQ job support company. Whether implementing new products or upgrading your current environment, Max Munoz can provide remote Salesforce CPQ job support for the functional and technical aspects of your project. We ensure your project success at a lower cost than having an on-site consultant and without the skill gap, time zone and communication issue experience when offshoring project role. More efficient and cost-effective service from dedicated Salesforce CPQ freelancer who know your business and your system. Hire Salesforce CPQ Freelancer for implementations, consulting, and outsourcing of Salesforce CPQ project. Hire Salesforce CPQ Freelancer and get Salesforce CPQ Freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Salesforce CPQ Freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects, and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality, and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource Salesforce CPQ work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system implementation solution, resources and training. Moving on to the next, we have introduction, flexible package, features and benefit, consulting range and why Max Munis. We will be covering below aspect in this session. Salesforce CPQ Freelancer for Salesforce CPQ support. If you are working on Salesforce CPQ product and facing any problem while working on it and you want to outsource Salesforce CPQ project, then Max Minus is just a call or email away to provide you Salesforce CPQ help. We provide Salesforce CPQ online job support help for professional to help them perform their task on Salesforce CPQ product. We have a wide range of Salesforce CPQ subject matter expert, highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in their field. They are certified and have done 10 to 15 implementation projects. They exclusively work with us as Salesforce CPQ freelancers. We provide Salesforce CPQ job support to individual as well as corporate client. For individuals, we provide Salesforce CPQ freelancers who will do Salesforce CPQ job support or Salesforce CPQ project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a Salesforce CPQ freelancers who provide project support for their IT project. Our Salesforce CPQ freelancers can provide end-to-end Salesforce CPQ project support as well as Salesforce CPQ implementation support. Salesforce CPQ freelancers are available in your time zone. It can be from USA, UK, India, Europe, etc. as per your requirement. Process we follow. The process we follow for our online Salesforce CPQ job support service. We receive your inquiry for Salesforce CPQ online job support. We will arrange a conference call with our consultant to understand your complete requirement and the tools you are using. If our consultant is 100% confident in taking up your requirement and when you are also comfortable with our consultant, then only we will agree to provide services and you have to make the payment to get the service from us. We will fix the timing for the Salesforce CPQ job support or Salesforce CPQ help us mutually agreed by you and our consultant. We have a wide range of Salesforce CPQ consultants available who can provide end-to-end complete Salesforce CPQ implementation support in your project in your specified time duration. The best part with us is that you just need to share your requirement with us and rest all will be done by Max Munis and your project starts. Flexible packages. Paper ticket. If you have any technical issue in your job and you want to take Salesforce CPQ job support to solve those issues, then you can raise a ticket by contacting us by either email or phone. So, this plan is for those who want our services on a ticket basis. Paper hour. If you have some technical issue in your job support and you want some Salesforce CPQ help from our experts for continuous guidance in solving the issue, then you can optimize for this hourly plan. Take online Salesforce CPQ job support for required hour and pay only for those hours consumed. Pay per month. If you have some major technical issue and your job and your need Salesforce CPQ help, then our expert provide continuous guidance in solving all the issue, and you can optimize for the monthly plan. Take online Salesforce CPQ job support for the whole 1 month and get smooth Salesforce CPQ freelancer support for the complete month. Discuss issue wherever it arises. We will provide step-by-step Salesforce CPQ installation guide, and we will help you to complete your project well in time. Emergency support plan. If you are working for some immediate solution in solving any issue, then this plan is best for you. Get Salesforce CPQ job support immediately. Our expert will be available on an immediate basis to solve your query. Features and benefits. Customize Salesforce CPQ freelancer service for individual as well as corporate. It will be smoother flow of project with us, as you will be able to 24/7 tracking of Salesforce CPQ project. It will be ultimate cost effective solution. As we have 15 years of experience, we are quite capable of handling with data and security challenges. Salesforce CPQ projects consulting range. Max Minus provide customized Salesforce CPQ job support service remotely via online for individual candidates and corporate client. Max Minus is considered as best freelancer Salesforce CPQ consulting company and the best Salesforce CPQ implementation support partner for its client. Max Minus has expertise in all product of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. In all the above mentioned companies' product, you can confidently outsource Salesforce CPQ projects to us. We can support you from 1 hour work to 1 year contractual work. Functional and technical application consultant for resolving issue, application support resources for coordinating issue across other team, technical consulting, including application database administrator and project managers to provide overall management of your project. Our freelancer Salesforce CPQ crew has deep expertise in product and solution and has the ability to implement complex solution and provide post-implementation project support also across anywhere in the world. Some of the areas are mentioned below: project management, project quality assurance development, process optimization and system optimization, workflow system optimization, implementation and post-implementation support. Dreams. As you know, we have a wide range of Salesforce CPQ subject matter expert. They exclusively work with us as Salesforce CPQ Freelancer. We provide Salesforce CPQ project support to individual as well as corporate client. For individual, we provide Salesforce CPQ Freelancer who will do Salesforce CPQ job support or Salesforce CPQ project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a Salesforce CPQ Freelancer who provide project support for their IT project. Our Salesforce CPQ Freelancer can handle end-to-end Salesforce CPQ implementation as well as Salesforce CPQ project support. Hire Salesforce CPQ Freelancer subject matter expert and get Salesforce CPQ Freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Salesforce CPQ Freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects, and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource Salesforce CPQ work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system implementation solutions, resources, and training. Best website to find and hire Salesforce CPQ Freelancer. This Salesforce CPQ training is ideal for new system administrators responsible for the setup, configuration, and maintenance of their organization Salesforce CPQ application. Salesforce CPQ admin essential for new administrators. This Salesforce CPQ admin training will help you learn the basic knowledge needed to set up, configure, and maintain a Salesforce CPQ instance, enabling your success with Salesforce CPQ. You can take this training if you are new to Salesforce CPQ to understand it from basic. After the completion of the Salesforce CPQ training, you will be able to set up product, bundle, products, and piercing rule. You can able to advise and implement out-of-box configuration of discounting, pricing, methods, and output document generation. You will also learn how to navigate the essential events and objects fundamental to the contract creation. You will be also learn how to navigate essential events and objects fundamental to the contract as creation, renewal, and amendment process. Max Minus Salesforce CPQ support. Max Minus is Salesforce CPQ project consulting company. Salesforce CPQ project support for corporate and job support for individual via Salesforce CPQ Freelancer or Salesforce CPQ implementation. Salesforce CPQ Freelancer hire Salesforce CPQ Freelancer and get online Salesforce CPQ job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Outsource Salesforce CPQ projects our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system implementation solution, resources, and training. Talking about Salesforce CPQ project consulting, Max Finance is 15-year-old trustworthy Salesforce CPQ project consulting company. We have received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. Get customized Salesforce CPQ job support to individual in their project. Salesforce CPQ project support for corporate. We have customized Salesforce CPQ project support as per company's Salesforce CPQ project requirement. Companies will be having flexibility to choose location, mode, on-site, online, and we will arrange professional as per their requirement. Companies will have flexibility to select Salesforce CPQ freelancer from a pool of professional subject matter expert. Our industry-specific subject matter expert will provide excellent help in Salesforce CPQ implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employee to start working on the projects from day one. Salesforce CPQ support for corporate. We have customized Salesforce CPQ project support as per company's Salesforce CPQ project support. Company will be having flexibility to close, suit, location, mode, on-site, online, and we will arrange professional as per their requirement. Companies will have flexibility to select Salesforce CPQ freelancer from a pool to professional subject matter expert. Our industry-specific subject matter expert will provide excellent help in Salesforce CPQ implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employee to start working on the projects from day one. Salesforce CPQ support benefits for individual person. Customized support as individual Salesforce CPQ projects requirement get complete Salesforce CPQ job support. We will help employee to start working on the projects from day one on Salesforce CPQ project. Flexibility to choose a schedule and work and learn on Salesforce CPQ project as per individual requirement. We will arrange industry-specific subject matter expert to provide Salesforce CPQ job support for your Salesforce CPQ project. We will provide step-by-step progress assessment of your Salesforce CPQ project. Market opportunity of Salesforce CPQ. Let's talk about current Salesforce CPQ market opportunity. I have written top best job site for USA, UK, Europe and India. You can apply and get Salesforce CPQ job across the globe. And wherever you stuck in project, we were there with you. Hire Salesforce CPQ freelancer and get customized Salesforce CPQ support in online or remotely. These are the top clients for whom we have already provided Salesforce CPQ job support in India as well as outside India. Salesforce CPQ support across the globe. Max Minus has successfully conducted 10,000 plus freelancer support for implementation and outsourcing projects for individual and corporate clients. Get Salesforce CPQ support to across the globe and hire Salesforce CPQ freelancer from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Canada, Denmark, Saudi Arabia, etc. Why Max Munis? One of the biggest challenge why big IT projects are not shared on freelancing sites is that most of the time the relevant set of IT skill professional is not available to work as freelancer. Max Munis is considered the best freelancer Salesforce CPQ consulting company. Max Munis has the expertise in all the product of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, and Salesforce CPQ. Step-by-step Salesforce CPQ guide and solution on all ticket of above mentioned companies and their product. Hire Salesforce CPQ freelancer online or subject matter expert after seeing the review will not be a great idea when it comes to the IT projects because all projects are time bound. Hence, we provide complete customized solutions to you. We will arrange a video conference call with subject matter expert. The client can discuss everything with him. Once the client gets satisfied regarding the expertise of subject matter expert or expert Salesforce CPQ freelancer, then only he needs to pay. If anything goes wrong, an immediate replacement will be provided by Maximinus at no cost. The money will be released to Salesforce CPQ freelancer or subject matter expert at various level of project completion after approval from the client. Conclusion: Salesforce CPQ support. On concluding, I may say that we will help you with below mentioned details. Hire Salesforce CPQ Freelancer and get online Salesforce CPQ job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Customize Salesforce CPQ support as per company Salesforce CPQ project requirement. Industry specific senior subject matter expert will be arranged who know your Salesforce CPQ project well in advance and have done very good implementation projects on the same. Outsource Salesforce CPQ project and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system implementation solution resources and training. Customize Salesforce CPQ support for individual as well as Salesforce CPQ job support in their Salesforce CPQ project. Reach us at for any more further information or if you want to enroll with us for Salesforce CPQ job support session, one can definitely reach us through this number below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID. It's contact@maxminus.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box, and here all the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in the Salesforce CPQ, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the entire Salesforce CPQ job support session with Max Minutes. So, candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.